Hi students, good morning. How are you? Doing well? Organic chemistry, interested lesson, interested topic. Okay? Tomorrow I will start IUPAC nomenclature. Okay? Small correction before class I kept their date 21, not 21, 22. Before class, yesterday class, I explained N-alkane, isoalkane and U-alkane like that. That day 22, but I kept there 21. So just once change day 22. Now day 23. Today day 23. Okay. Last time I explained N-alkane, N-alkanes, isoalkanes and neoalkanes. N-alkane, isoalkanes and neoalkane. N-alkane, for example, N-butane. Here N-butane. Next, isoalkane, isobutane. Neoalkane, here neopentane. N-butane, isobutane and neopentane. Three types of alkanes: N-alkane, isoalkane and neoalkane. N-butane, isobutane and neopentane, sorry. N-alkanes, straight chain. N-alkane means straight chain, no branches. Isoalkanes, second carbon having one methyl group. So isoalkane meaning in N-alkanes normal straight chain. In straight chain alkanes, in straight chain compounds, second carbon having one methyl group, that is known as isoalkane. Example, isobutane. And another one is neoalkanes. Neoalkane means second carbon contain two methyl groups, so two branches. So in N-alkanes, second carbon, in N-alkanes, second carbon having two methyl group, that is known as neoalkanes. Okay, so these are different types of alkane: N-alkanes, isoalkanes and neoalkanes. Removal of nitrogen atom from N-alkanes, N-alkyl. Removal of nitrogen atom from isoalkanes, so isoalkyl. Removal of nitrogen atom from neoalkane, neoalkyl. Okay, and another important point too, N-butane and isobutane. N-butane and isobutane, two are example of isomerism. Structure same. Sorry, formula same, different structures we know. Same formula but different structures. The property is known as isomerism. Simply, N-butane and isobutane are isomers. Simply in here, N-butane. Here, N-butane and isobutane. N-butane and isobutane are both are example. N-butane and isobutane are exhibit. N-butane and isobutane exhibit isomerism. Or N-butane and isobutanes are isomers. N-butane and isobutanes are exhibit isomerism or isomers. Isomerism means isomerism or isomers. Compounds having same formula but different structures are called isomers. This phenomenon is known as isomerism. So anyway, N-butane and isobutane exhibit isomerism. Simply these both are isomers. These two are isomers. Isomer means same formula but different structures. Okay, N-alkanes, isoalkanes and neoalkanes. And N-butane and isobutane, these two are example of isomers and isomers or isomerism. And another example, N-pentane isopentane and neopentane. These three are also isomers. Three are also isomers. Isomer means isomers, exhibit isomerism. Exhibit isomerism. These three having same formula but different structures. I will write structure N-pentane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. These are N-pentane. And another CH3. These are isopentane. Why iso? Second carbon having methyl group. And neo here I am writing. Here neopentane. So here formula, pentane formula C5H12. All cases C5H12, C5H12. Straight chain N-pentane, isopentane. Here I am writing here isopentane, isopentane and neopentane. N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. These three are exhibit isomerism. Isomerism. These three are isomers. These three are isomers. So these are different types of N-alkanes, isoalkanes and neoalkanes. Okay. And N-alkanes, isoalkane, neoalkanes completed. Next another one is, now best example, isomers or isomerism. Isomerism is compounds having same molecular formula but different structures are called isomers. So this phenomenon is known as isomerism. N-butane, isobutane, one type of isomerism. N-butane and isobutane isomerism exhibited. And another example, N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. These three also exhibit isomerism. So N-butane, isobutane, one type of isomerism. These two are one isomerism. Isomerism. N-butane isomerism exhibit isomerism. And another example, N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane also exhibit isomerism. So these are isomerism or isomers. Okay? Isomerism or isomer means compounds having same formula but different structures. Different structures but formula same. So these are examples of types of alkanes. Now another I am taking. These are N-butane. Remove one nitrogen atom from this compound CH2. That is known as N-butyl. 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 Why N-butyl? Normal. Actually N-butane. N-butane means CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Sorry, CH3. Here CH3, one nitrogen atom is replaced by one nitrogen atom can be removed. That is known as N-butyl. N means normal. N-butyl. N-butyl. And another. These are N-propyl. Types of alkyl groups. Types of alkyl groups. Types of alkyl groups. N-butyl, N-propyl. Okay, next. N-pentyl. N-pentyl. N-butyl, N-propyl, N-pentyl. So these are all normal straight chain. Normal chain. Okay, N means normal straight chain. Why I remove one nitrogen atom from the alkanes, from their alkanes. Actually these are N-butane. I removed one nitrogen atom from this compound. N-butane. Remove one nitrogen atom from N-butane. N-butyl, N-propyl, like that. Next. Here isobutyl. Why isobutyl? Why isobutyl? Second carbon contain methyl group, that is known as isobutyl. Second carbon contain methyl group. Already I explained. Second in N alkanes, second carbon contain methyl group, that is known as iso. So second carbon containing methyl, that is known as isobutyl. 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 Next another. Don't confuse it. Here tertiary butyl. Why say tertiary butyl? Tertiary butyl means here tertiary carbon atom is there. Why butyl? Butyl formula C4H9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Tertiary butyl. These are isobutyl. These are tertiary butyl. So tertiary means here tertiary carbon atom is there. What do you mean by tertiary carbon? Carbon atom is attached to other 3 carbon atom. Here not carbon. Here one group is there. Maybe alcohol, chlorine, anyone. Here bond breaking. Here carbon not there. Tertiary butyl. Here tertiary butyl. Next another. Tertiary butyl. Next. Next one is another. Butyl means 4 carbon atoms. So first isobutyl. Isobutyl means here CH3, CH2. Isobutyl means in N-butyl and N-alkanes. Second carbon contain one methyl group, that is known as isobutyl. Tertiary butyl. Tertiary means compulsory carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom. What do you mean by tertiary carbon atom? Carbon atom attached to other 3 carbon atoms. Now I am taking tertiary butyl. Here carbon atom is there. The carbon atom attached to other 3 carbon atom. Carbon atom attached to other 3 carbon atom, that is known as tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary butyl. Actually, the carbon atom attached to other 3 carbon atom, that is known as tertiary carbon atom. Here butyl. I remove one hydrogen atom from alkanes. So here tertiary butyl structure. And another one is tertiary butyl completed, and another structure. Tertiary butyl, and another one is isobutyl, tertiary butyl, and another one is, next I am writing secondary butyl. Secondary butyl means like that. CH3, CH bond, CH3, CH2. That is known as secondary butyl. Why secondary butyl? Total how many carbons? 4 carbons. Here carbon is secondary carbon. What do you mean by secondary carbon? Carbon atom attached to other 2 carbon atoms. Carbon atom attached to other 2 carbon atoms, that is known as secondary carbon. Here bond is the removal of one hydrogen, that is a secondary butyl. Anyway, butyl group forms 3 types of structures. So isobutyl, tertiary butyl, secondary butyl, and another one is N-butyl. N-butyl means how many? 4 carbons. CH3, CH2, CH2. So these are N-butyl. So N-butyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl, secondary butyl. Once see, in all compounds, hydrogens same, carbons same. N-butyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl, secondary butyl, these are all one type of isomers. N-butyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl, and another one is secondary butyl. These 3 4 are example of 4 exhibit isomerism. Isomerism is isomers, same formula but different structures. Okay, so N-butyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl, secondary butyl. So these are different types of isomers and isomerism, types of alkyl groups. Don't forget, remembering this point, very important. So butyl groups, different types. N-butyl, isobutyl, secondary butyl, last one is tertiary butyl. So these are different types of examples. So now I am taking a best example, common names. Now I am taking alcohol group is attached to these compounds. Suppose N-butyl. Here N-butyl. Here bond is there. In bond I am keeping here OH group. That is known as N-butyl alcohol. These are common name. N-butyl alcohol common name. N-butyl, because here OH group I kept. Before here N-butyl. Here bond I am keeping here OH group. So N-butyl alcohol. Next another CH3, CH3 and CH2. What these are? Isobutyl. Here I am keeping OH. That is known as common name isobutyl alcohol. It is a common name. Isobutyl alcohol. It is also common name. Don't forget. N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol. Okay. And another one is writing here. Here which group? Tertiary butyl. I am keeping here OH. That name is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. That is a common name. Tertiary butyl alcohol, common name. So these are all common names. N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. These are all common names. Formula also same. And another one is, I am writing here. Here, secondary butyl alcohols. Secondary butyl alcohol. It is a common name. Secondary butyl alcohol. Anyway, butyl alcohol forms 4 types of isomers. N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Isomer means all having same formula but different structures. So these are different types of isomers and isomerism and different types of alkyl groups. So secondary butyl alcohol, once observe, all having same formula. So suppose C4H10O, once observe, C4H10O, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, C4H10O. Here also carbon 4, hydrogen 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, C4H10O. Here also C4H10O. Compounds having same formula but different structures are known as isomers. This phenomenon is known as isomerism. Anyway, N-butyl. So butyl alcohol forms 4 types of isomers. N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol. Last one is tertiary butyl alcohol. These are different types of structures and isomers, and another one is different types of alkyl groups. Okay, so these are different types of alkyl groups. I am taking another example. A name Here N-butyl chloride. N-butyl chloride. These are common names. I am giving common names, not IUPAC names. N-butyl chloride. Why N-butyl chloride? Here N-butyl normal. N-butyl chloride. N-butyl chloride. And another. CH3, CH3. Iso means second carbon having CH3 group, methyl group. These are name isobutyl chloride. Isobutyl chloride. These are isobutyl chloride. Iso means second carbon having methyl group, isobutyl chloride. Actually, these are isobutyl. They are isobutyl. Isobutyl. I kept here Cl. Isobutyl chloride. And the third one is isobutyl chloride. CH3, CHCl, CH2, CH3. That is known as secondary butyl chloride. Secondary butyl chloride. Secondary butyl. Secondary means secondary carbon. Carbon atom attached to other two carbon atom. That carbon is known as secondary carbon. Secondary carbon contain. Actually, these are secondary butyl group. Secondary butyl group. Here secondary butyl group. Here I am keeping here Cl group. Cl means chloride. So that means secondary butyl chloride. And the last one is CH3, CH3 and CH3. These are tertiary butyl. Why tertiary butyl? The carbon atom attached to three other carbon atom. This carbon is known as tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon. These are tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. I am keeping here Cl. That name is tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl. So anyway, N-butyl chloride, isobutyl chloride, secondary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. One so verify formula. All having formula C4H. How many? C4H9Cl. All having same formula. Among the four, formula same but different structures. That is examples of isomers or isomerism. Phenomenon is known as isomerism. Okay? So N-butyl, isobutyl, secondary butyl and tertiary butyl chlorides. So these are different types of alkyl groups and isomerism and isomers. Okay? Write down, my dear students, write down these all points. Once see. So these are different types of alkyl groups. What do you mean by alkyl group? Removal of a nitrogen atom from alkene is known as alkyl. It is represented by symbol R. Okay, students, next one. Before I explain to alkyl groups, next to alkynyl groups. Alkynyl group means removal of one nitrogen atom from alkenes is known as alkynyl group. So alkynyl group. My dear students, listen once. Removal of a nitrogen atom from alkenes is known as alkenyl group. Now I am writing here alkene. Removal of a nitrogen atom from alkenyl group. Example. These are ethene. Removal of a nitrogen atom. That is known as ethynyl. Example 1. Example 2. Propene. Removal of hydrogen. These are named propene. Okay. Here bond. Removal of here hydrogen. These are propenyl. Ethynyl and propenyl. Removal of a nitrogen atom from alkenes is known as alkenyl. Now I am taking ethene. Ethene formula CH4. Removal of a nitrogen atom from ethene, that is known as ethynyl. Ethynyl, propenyl, these are IUPAC names. After that I will explain IUPAC. So these are propene. Removal of a nitrogen atom from propene. Hydrogen atom removal means not here. Here hydrogen atom, simple group. One nitrogen atom removal means removal of one nitrogen atom from this group. Bond CH2, bond CH double bond CH2. That is known as propenyl. Ethynyl, another name is vinyl. Very important. Ethynyl, IUPAC name, vinyl common name. And propenyl, another name is allyl. Allyl. Okay? So these are vinyl. Vinyl formula, don't forget. Vinyl formula, CH2 double bond CH. Simply, vinyl group. Vinyl group means simply CH2 double bond CH bond. Next allyl. Allyl group means very important. Vinyl and allyl, important. Allyl means CH2 double bond CH2 bond. These are allyl group. So vinyl and allyl groups are belong to alkenyl groups. Suppose example. Vinyl chloride formula CH2 double bond CHCl. And another example 1, example 2. So vinyl alcohol means we will keep OH group. Vinyl alcohol means CH2 double bond CHOH. What are alcohols? Organic compounds containing OH functional group are known as organic compounds containing OH functional group is known as alcohols. So vinyl chloride and vinyl alcohol. Simply in the vinyl group, here I am keeping Cl group vinyl chloride. Here I am keeping here OH vinyl alcohol, like that. And another example 3. Allyl chloride example CH2 double bond CH2Cl. These are allyl chloride. And the fourth one is allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol means CH2 double bond CH2OH. So these are different types of vinyl group, vinyl chloride, vinyl alcohol. Allyl chloride, allyl alcohol. Vinyl group means CH2 double bond CH bond. Vinyl. Allyl group means CH2 double bond CH2 bond. Vinyl and allyl groups are example of alkenyl group. What do you mean by alkenyl group? Removal of a nitrogen atom from alkenes is known as alkenyl group. So these are different types of vinyl and allyl, different types of alkenyl groups. Okay students, write down. Writing. Last concept today, simple. Alkyl group. Simply alkane. Removal of one nitrogen atom from alkanes is known as alkyl group. Removal of one nitrogen atom from alkanes is known as alkyl group. Example, you know, ethane. Ethane. Removal of hydrogen, that means CH triple bond C, that name is ethanyl. An example, propane, CH3 C triple bond CH, removal of hydrogen, that means simply propanol. Once observe, ethanol. What is alkyl? Removal of one nitrogen atom. Removal of one nitrogen atom from alkanes is known as alkyl group. Removal of one nitrogen atom from alkanes is known as alkyl group. One nitrogen removed from ethane, that is known as ethanol group. CH triple bond C bond. Here propane. Removal of one nitrogen atom from propane is known as propanol. CH3C triple bond C bond. Here removed here. So propanol and ethanol. So these are different types of alkyl groups. So different types of alkyl groups. Once write down these points. My dear students, once write. Once write down. Alkyne, removal of hydrogen atom from alkyne is known as alkyl group. Ethane, CH triple bond C, ethanol. Propane means propanol. Okay students, now today enough. So enough. Remaining class over. Next class I will start IUPAC nomenclature. Thank you for all.